Today, we'll make some authentic Jamaican roast fish, and this is how it's done. Right here, I have a 4-pound parrot fish. First, I'm gonna wash the fish using 1 large lemon. Now I'm gonna score the fish 3 times. The reason why I'm scoring the fish is to get the seasoning deep inside the fish so it can have a lot of flavor. On the other side, I'm gonna score it also 3 times. Now, I'm gonna season it with my homemade all-purpose rub. You want to get the seasoning in the score of the fish and in the belly of the fish. Here I have some already chopped callaloo. I'm gonna season the callaloo with ½ teaspoon of salt, then my okra, then my all-purpose seasoning, then I'm gonna add some carrot, mix it up, then I'm gonna stuff the belly of the fish with the callaloo stuffing. Now for my file paper, I'm gonna butter the file paper just like so. Then I'm gonna add the fish on the file paper. Now I'm gonna add some butter on the fish for extra flavor. I'm also gonna add some garlic, onion, scotch bonnet pepper. I'm adding the scotch bonnet pepper on the fish also inside of the belly of the fish. Now I'm gonna add some more okra, carrots, bell peppers, and a small bunch of thyme in the belly of the fish. Now I'm gonna sprinkle a teaspoon of allspice powder followed by my all-purpose rub. I'm gonna wrap the fish up just like so. I'm gonna wrap the fish a second time in more file paper just like so, and I'll see you guys on the grill. Stay tuned. Now it's time to put the fish on the grill. I'm gonna let this fish cook for 35 minutes at 400 degrees on the grill. Now it's time to look on the fish. Also, I put some sweet potato to roast on the grill to serve with the fish. Yeah, this fish looking good. Now I'm gonna flip my sweet potatoes. This is gonna be so good with the roast fish. Now I'm gonna check on the fish once again. After 35 minutes, my fish is done. Now it's time to take it off the grill. And now it's time to unwrap the fish. Guys, check out my roast fish. This looks so darn good. Yo, the real deal. Authentic Jamaican roast fish. And now it's time to add the roast sweet potato alongside the fish. Just check out this roast sweet potato, guys. It looks so good. Yeah, man. This is gonna complement the fish very well. This is gonna be so good with this fish. And now I'm gonna dig in on the roast sweet potatoes. Yeah, this tastes really good. Yeah, man. And now it's time to taste the fish. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this fish, guys. This tastes really good. The fish is full of flavor. Yeah, that's how I love my fish. That's how I love my roast fish. Yeah, let us dig in once again. Taste some of the carrots. Yeah, this tastes good. Yeah, man, I have to keep on tasting this delicious fish. It tastes so good, I can't stop. This is really good, guys. Subscribe for more. One love. Bless.